Hi and what's up? Thank you so much for clicking on this video because today I'm going to be showing you a very easy recipe. I am going to be showing you how to make honey garlic chicken wings, and it's going to be very easy, simple, and the outcome is going to be so delicious. So stick around until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. So to get started, I'm going to be using a few ingredients. I have paprika, garlic powder, ginger, salt, black pepper, and also I'm going to be making my sauce. Everything I'm going to be listing in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So to my chicken wings, first of all, I'm going to be patting dry, of which I've already done, but I'm going to be showing you how I did it. So I pat dry my chicken. That is the first step. Make sure that the skin of the chicken wings is very dry. So I'll be adding paprika and garlic powder. Try and evenly distribute the spices. And then I'm going to be adding ginger. This is ground ginger. Black pepper. Love me some black pepper. A bit of salt, just a little bit. And lastly, I'm going to be adding some baking soda. So I'm going to go in with my hands. Make sure that everything is coated with the spices. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Next, I'm going to be marinating my chicken for around 30 minutes. If you can, marinate your chicken overnight and it's going to give you awesome results. Right after marinating my chicken wings, I'm going to be placing my chicken wings in a baking tray which I've lined with parchment paper. And this already smells so good. You try and place the chicken not too close to each other because you want the chicken to cook through. So I'm going to be roasting or baking my chicken wings for 35 minutes, and in the 20th minute I'm going to remove the wings and flip so that they can cook on the other side. As my chicken wings are baking, I'm going to be making my sauce. So over here I've placed a tiny pot. So to my pot I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 and 3, and then I'm going to add in butter, tomato sauce, and then I'm going to grate in 3 cloves of garlic because we're making honey garlic chicken wings. Watch over your fingers if you're using a grater. So once done, I'm going to mix everything to combine, and then I'm going to cook this until the sauce thickens up. My chicken wings are ready, and I've already transferred my chicken wings in a bowl. So as you can see, my sauce has thickened up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the heat And then I'm going to transfer the sauce in my bowl. Yum. Toss the chicken together with the sauce. I'm going to let this rest for about 2 minutes as I make my French fries. I'm going to be serving my chicken wings with French fries or chips. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Spread the oil in my pan. Then I'm going to add in some coriander. Immediately add in my fries. Stir in. Add in some garlic powder. Toss around the fries so that they can cook together with the garlic powder and coriander. And I'm loving the aroma that the garlic and coriander is adding to my chips. So I'll give this about a minute. Come back to my chicken and it's, oh my god, it's looking so good. I can't wait to have my first bite. Don't forget to season your fries. So my fries are ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and it's time to present my awesome combo. So I have honey garlic chicken wings and fries or chips. Yeah. I'm going to add my fries on my plate. Just look at that. And then I'm going to add in my chicken wings, my lovely chicken wings. So the kids are really going to enjoy this combo because, yeah, you know how kids are with fries and chicken wings. Okay, even myself. There you go, guys. My honey garlic chicken wings is ready. My fries are ready and I'm ready to eat. So I'm going to give one a try. I'm going to pick this one. I love the sweetness from the honey and the garlic flavor. This is so good. So good. So I hope you try out this amazing recipe at home. If it's for brunch on Sunday or Saturday, make this amazing combo and your family surely enjoy. So I hope you try out this recipe and catch you on my next video. Bye.